we're headed to Bloody Basin just for our first time off-road. So a little bit of a late start this morning. Thought I had everything together. What you don't realize is that when you go to pack up for these kind of things, this is the first time obviously, but you don't know what to pack, so you pack everything. And like I've heard before on many people, they're saying that, you know, when you go, you overpack and then you figure out what you need and don't need. So anyway, headed out to Bloody Basin. Last night, I was going to go yesterday, but it had downpoured and it was crazy. But today it looks pretty good. Over some partially cloudy weather, and now we get to go 75. Traffic's moving pretty good. Headed to exit 259. Yeah, come on, let's go. Well, we made it to the Bloody Basin exit. This is the Agua Fria National Monument. Tells you, hey, got a free map. So, yeah, might as well take one just in case. You know, your GPS is out. But here we are. And this is right there. All right. Be in a rock crawl mode, goodness. It's paid for. Hey guys, well, we're almost at our destination, but we wanted to stop and do a little lunch. When I say we, it's me and the Kaika boy. Anyway, we're out here to kind of give you a look at where we're at. Pretty cool little place. Off the beaten path a little bit, but we got about 1, 2, 3 hours of sunlight, and there's a look at the Bronco. She's got her first muddy voyage. It was pretty fun. We got mud everywhere, as you can see, and yeah, it was fun though. A lot of water crossings. This is a great little trail to start, really. I aired down the tires to about 20 pounds and we're good. We're gonna set up for just lunch. I'm gonna cook some lunch. Hopefully I can try to film that for you guys, and we'll see you guys here shortly. So I'm trying to try out my new Coleman grill thing deal. It's supposed to be compressed. But the bad thing about it, there's no windbreak here, so it's gonna probably take forever to heat up this water. And then I'm gonna start stir frying. But in the meantime, I'm gonna try to let that boil, and got my cooking set up. Here I brought my ice cold fridge out here. And it's been plugged in since last night in the vehicle, and working on my Blue Yeti that I just got, EVA. Anyway, I'm gonna work on cutting this up and get it ready for my first cooked meal out of the back of my Bronco. Let's go. Okay guys, so first things first, rookie mistake. I did not bring any eating utensils or anything like that. So I do have my backpacking stuff here, so hopefully I'll break into that. But one major fail is I forgot a knife, so I did go find my pocket knife. But oh crap, that doesn't sound good. Oh, nope, that don't sound good. Okay, we better hurry up, and then we're gonna probably head out. But the main thing is I got my garbage can here, so I'm gonna cut up this onion. I brought some Ziploc so I can take this stuff home. I'm not gonna use all of it. So I'm gonna cut up this onion real quick. That does not look good, and it's coming my way. I'm going to use this kind of my prep station here. Bring those. Next thing I have to do is stuff these. Well, they probably should have come up beforehand. Try to make a little bit of chop suey. Not chop suey, well, kind of. But basically, with the, I don't have any fat noodles, so really all I'm doing is gonna make some stir fry. Basically, I can use some ground pork, which I thought would be easy, and some mushrooms, and onion, and green onions I have, and some bean sprouts. So, yeah. And Kaika out here. All right. That's good. All right, let me get all this stuff ready and we'll get to frying. All right, gang. As you can see, I had to break into my backpacking mess kit, and yeah, I'm not sure we're gonna get to boiling water, so we'll just do the best we can here. And let's fry this up, get it started. Nothing crazy, just some ground pork. Oh, it's getting hot. Oi. Total misstep. All right, so here we go, gang. That's what you got. Just a little stir fry. I'm gonna get the pot of water boiling again. Got the pot. Gonna get the pot boiling again of water, so we can wash dishes and what have you. So get that started. Sorry, you didn't see me cooking. All right, that should be good. And then we'll see how far further we can get down the trail. And then in the meantime, we're gonna eat. Well, gang, we had to tear down in a hurry. Well, and now, after I tore down, so that little burst of clouds right there put a little sprinkles on us, but that's all right, we'll dry out. It looks clear going that way. So I think, checked out that Bronco. Yep, that's what she looks like with all the pod lights on. She looks pretty cool. That background. We are about ready to head off on the road. That road right there. I think we're going this way. All right, gang, get back on the road. Well, this is what you call Bloody Basin or Sheep's Bridge. Pretty cool. There we go. And got some pictures from the top. But this is a bridge where you can walk, I guess, across the little river down below. And looks like Kaika already on that way. So, what's this say? It says, attention anglers. Wow. Come on, Kai. It's sketchy a little bit. Oh, this is cool. Look at this. Hold on, bud. So we're crossing that bridge, Sheep's Bridge. Yeah, pretty cool. And then look at this shot right here. Goodness. All right. apparently there's a hot spring that we have to go check out. Oh yeah. And anyways, let's go check this thing out. This way, Kai. Stay away from that.
Let me show you something.
Whoa. Holy smokes! It really is a hot spring.
Yo, look at that. There's the ground.
That is crazy. Okay, that was the hot springs. They made it into a hot tub, which is really cool. I like it. Alright, better get back on the road before it gets dark. Can't find a way out. Again. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Alright, this is Sheep's Bridge. Sun's about to go down, so we better hit that trail before it gets too dark. And got some unpacking to do tonight, so for sure. All right, see you guys on the other side. Hey, there you guys are. So we had to leave out of the area pretty quick. It was getting dark, and had to make our way. And then we had to air back up the tires, and I'm gonna tell you. Hold on. This guy, hold on, I'll let you in there. Right here. Yeah, I bought it at Costco, thinking it would be a good deal. It was can charge your battery from dead, you know, give you a jump start, and up to 120 psi. And then yeah, it was no bueno. I got to two tires, rear tires at 35 psi, and then one right tire at almost 29 psi, and it died on me. So yep, we had to get out of there and find the gas station, which is about 15 miles from where we're at, 16 miles, and get home. Hey guys, so this is I'm gonna cut the video here, and you know, learned a lot going out on the trail, especially by myself. You're gonna need a lot more equipment, and it was a great learning experience. And so yeah, I'm gonna upgrade some equipment and re-go through all my gear to make sure I get the right stuff the next time, and look forward to going out next. I plan to do a 6-month, even though I had it a little longer than 6 months, all the different mods I've added to my Bronco, and if you're interested, tune in, and other than that, like and subscribe, and do that thing for YouTube's analytics. But anyways, thanks for watching, and take care, and mahalo.